Hey guys, what's up? We just redid our kitchen backsplash. The tile itself turned out great, but now there is something that just looks out of place. Do you see that old yellow outlet? Today we are going to replace that with a new white outlet. This area is just off the main kitchen, so we're going to go ahead and upgrade the outlet to a GFCI outlet while we're at it. You can pick up a new outlet and faceplate on Amazon for under $20. I will leave a link in the video description. With our voltage tester, we can test the outlet and see that there is still power to it. If you do not have a voltage tester, you can plug in a device to see if there is power or not. Before working on any electrical project, you need to make sure that you turn off the breaker to the electrical circuit you will be working on. Follow the labeling inside your breaker panel and turn off the corresponding breaker. After you have turned off the breaker that you think is the correct one, you always need to test at the location you'll be working on to confirm that the power is in fact turned off. Now that we have confirmed there is no voltage present, we can remove the faceplate. Once the faceplate is removed, you will remove the two outlet mounting screws. With the screws out, you should be able to pull the outlet away from the junction box. We will do one final test here to confirm that there is no power to the wires before working on the new outlet. Remove the wiring from the old outlet. If the outlet has screw terminals, you will need to loosen the screws to remove the wiring. If the outlet has push-in connections, you will need to insert a small screwdriver to the corresponding release to remove the wire from the connection port. Now we can get to installing the new outlet. Take a look on the back of the outlet for the wiring diagram. You can also find the wiring diagram on the instructions in the outlet box. On this outlet, there is only one set of wires, which are the line wires. We can see on the diagram the locations for the white line wire, black line wire, and ground wire. If there are another set of wires, these would be the load wires that connect to the next outlet in the electrical circuit. Confirm which set of wires is which by checking the back of the old outlet before removing the wires. Connect the wires to the new outlet according to the wiring diagram. Once you have attached the new wires, give them a pull to make sure that you have a secure connection. Now you can insert the new outlet into the junction box and attach the mounting screws. Lastly, you can install the new faceplate. Make sure that the screws are snug, but do not over tighten as this could crack the faceplate. There you go. Now you have a brand new outlet to match the new Backsplash. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can do it.